problem. So simple problem, I'll take first that one. That is minus I to the power of, I to the power of minus 39. How you can solve this one? I to the power of minus 39 I have taken. So can I take in the denominator 1 by I to the power of 39 I'll write is equal to, we can make this one as what? We can write this one as what? 1 by, how we can write that one? I square to the power of, no, I to the power of 4 will take, no? So we can write this one as 39 as, yeah, 4n plus 3, yes, good. 4 into 9 plus 3, that's good. Can I write that one as I to the power of 4 to the power of 9 into what? I cube, good, is equal to, what do you get then? 1 by I cube, no? 1 by I cube. Yeah. So what is I cube value? What is the I cube value? Minus I, no? Yeah. So can you tell me what the answer will get here? We'll get the answer as what? I. Good. So we know that 1 by I is minus I, no? So minus into minus. Otherwise, one thing you can do, multiplied both sides by I and I. So what we get then? I divided by minus I square. I square is nothing but minus 1, no? So minus into minus plus. So the answer is I. Like this also you can write. Okay. So next, move on to the next one. 5 minus 3i the whole cube. 5 minus 3i the whole cube. Okay. Can you tell me what is a minus b the whole cube formula here? What is a minus b the whole cube formula? What is a minus b the whole cube formula? Is what? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab. 3 into 5 into 3i into a minus b. That is 5 minus 3i. Correct or not? Correct? Yes, good. Right. A cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b into a minus b. Just expand that one. What do you get? 5 cube is what? 5 cube is 125. And I cube is what? 3 cube is 27. I cube is what? Yes, good. I cube, I'm telling I cube. Yeah, good. Minus 20, no? I cube is minus I, I'll write in the bracket only, huh? Nice. Then here, minus, just multiply this one. What do we get then? 3 into 5 is 15. 15 into 3 is 45. 45 into 5. What do you get the answer? Just check whether it is 225i. Just check whether it is 225i. 5 3 is 15. 15 3 is 45. 45 into 5. Yes. 225. I. And next see, minus into minus is plus. Now go for it. 3 5 is a 15. 15 5 is a 45. 45 3 is a 45 3 is a 135. Correct? 45 3 is a 135. And check here, I into I is what? I square I'm writing. Okay, in the next step I'm writing that one. Yes. So next 125 minus into minus plus 27i, and here minus 225i, and I square is nothing but what? Minus 1, no? Minus 135. Now tell me, add and subtract. What do you get the answer? Tell me. 125 minus 135 is how much? Yes, good. Minus 10. Correct? Minus 10. Now tell me here. Plus 27 minus 225i. What do you get the answer? Minus 198i. Now it is in the form of a plus ib. Correct? Where a is equal to what? Minus 10 and b is equal to what? Minus 198. minus 198, right? Yes, clear? They're asking this type of question in the exam. And the same way, we'll move on to the next one. So directly you have to tell me, no need to solve this one. Can anyone tell me what is the answer for this one? I to the power of minus 35. Quick answer I want. I to the power of minus 35. What do you get the answer? Minus I. So right it is. Good. Good. Nice answer. Yes, good. So same way we'll move on to the next one. Three into 7 plus I7 plus I into 7 plus I7. Okay. How you have to solve this one? See, 3 into 7 plus I7 plus I into 7 plus I7. Now it is clear. It is audible. Is it audible? Yes. Okay. Yeah, Namita, it's plus I, no? Yeah. The earlier question, no, you are telling plus I. You are taking a 70th board is not clearly visible. I think some network issues are there. That's why it is. Okay, Shilpa. Due to some network issue, it is visible, no? Okay. Okay, okay. Namita, right it is, huh? Yeah, you said plus I know. I think it is, I'll check that one. Just go for it. Just multiply it by 3 and solve. 36. Yes, Namita, it is I. Okay, right it is. I it is. So, got the answer 14 plus 28, I know. We'll check that one, huh? I'm solving that one. This is what? 21 and I21 plus I7 and this one is what? I7. Sorry, I7, I square is what? Minus 7. So the answer is, what you said? Yes, Ritika, right it is. That is what? 14 plus 28I. Right it is. Okay. 28I. Good. Okay, same we'll move on to the next one here. Same way, we move on to the next one. That is 1 minus I, 1 minus I, minus of minus 1 plus I6, minus 1 plus I6. And the previous I said, no, minus I to the power of 35. I'm solving that one here. So can I write this one as I to the power of plus 35? Can I arrange this one as I into I to the power of 36? Because in the both side, in the numerator and multiplier, I'm multiplying I. Okay. In the both side, I'm multiplying by I. So I remain. I to the power 36 is 1. Okay. So the answer is I, you are telling, no, Deepa. We'll check that one. We'll check that one. Yeah, Neru, 2 minus 7 I, you are telling, no? Yeah, just check. 1 minus I, minus into minus is plus 1. So this is minus I6. The answer is what? 2 minus I7. Yes, right answer, Shravan. Right answer it is. Good. Okay. Same way, we'll move on to the next one. In the same way, we'll move on to the next one. These all are addition type of problems. In the same way, we'll move on to the next one. Can you tell me this one? The fifth one. 1 by 3 plus 3i the whole cube. Which formula we are going to apply here? 1 by 3 plus 3i the whole cube. 1 by 3 plus 3i the whole cube. So a plus b the whole cube formula, no? So can anyone tell me what is a plus b the whole cube formula? What is a plus b the whole cube formula? That is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Correct, no? Correct, no? Just apply that one and tell me the answer. Apply and tell me that one. So a is what? 1 by 3. So it become 1 by 3 cube plus 3i cube plus 3 into 1 by 3 into 3i into what? 1 by 3 plus 3i. Correct? Next. Yeah, 2 minus 7 to 2 I know. We'll check Shravan that one. Huh? We'll check. 3 cube is what? 1 by 27. I cube is nothing but, can I write directly that one? I cube is what? Minus I know. So minus 3i. And here 3 get cancelled. And remaining is what? Plus 3i into 1 by 3 plus 3i. So it is 1 by 27 minus 3i. So if I multiplied here, 3 get cancelled plus I remaining. And again, if I multiplied here, 27i square is nothing but 1 by 27. Here minus 3i and plus I is minus 2i. And this one is what? Minus 27. Correct? Yeah. Yes. Yes, Anirudh. I'll check that one, huh? I'll check that one. So what do we get here? Just check the answer. Is it correct? 2i? Yeah, 3i whole cube. No, yes, right. It is 3i whole cube means we'll get a 27i. So here it is what? 27i. So I'll get here 26i. Minus 27. Correct, it is minus 242 divided by minus 242 divided by 27 minus 26i. Just you have to check that one. No, it is. It is not a right answer. Yes, Prithvi 7, Prajwal, no? Minus 728. Minus 728. So just multiply this one, 27 into 27. What do we get the answer? 27 into 27. Yeah, right answer is 728. Yes, good. Right, it is. This is what? Minus 728 by 27 minus 26i. Oh, sorry, huh? Sorry. I made a mistake here. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Sorry. So yes. So we have to take this one as what? This is a 27. No, 1 by 27 minus 27i, and this is what? That is I, and here 3 minus 9 it is, no? Yes, minus 9. No, it is I square is minus 1. Yes, right, huh? Sorry, huh? So I made mistake here. That is what? 3 square is 9. 3 into 3 is 9. I square is minus. Okay. So now you can go for it. You'll get the answer as what? What is it? 200 and 200 and minus 242 I by 27 minus 26 I, no? Correct? Yes. Okay. Yes. Right answer. No? Sorry, I made mistake here. I wrote a 27. No, that is 6I. 243 it is. 243 it is. And minus 1 we have to do, no? Yeah, Anirudh, you are telling that what? 1 plus, yeah, you can go for that one also. Answer is same only it is, huh? Same only. Which method you can take? The final answer is same only it is, huh? Okay. Minus 242, right? Is yes? Okay. And in the same way, that is 1 by 5 plus I2 by 5 minus 4 plus I 5 by 2. Okay, so the subtraction they have given, so real and real part you take and imaginary part you take. Real and imaginary. Just tell me the answer, huh? Real and imaginary how to take. What do we get here? Real part is what? 1 by 5 minus 4 plus the imaginary part is what? If I take I common, 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. Correct? So we'll get what here? Minus 19 by 5 plus I. What do we get here then? 7 minus. Just check that one, Prajwal, whether it is correct. Minus I. Yes, Aditi, right, it is minus 19 by 5 minus I 20, not 29, it is 21, no? 21 by 10, no? Just check. Correct? Yes, good. Just check that one. Huh? Here, 4 and minus 25 is what? Minus 21 by 10. Huh? And this one also 1 minus 20, minus 19 by. Okay. Okay, same way, I'll move on to the next one. Five plus root 2I divided by, very important, it is 1 minus root 2I. 5 plus root 2I divided by 1 minus root 2I. Now, how we have to solve this one, tell me. So we have always solved the property, and I said also, so see the denominator term, and we have to go for what? Which method? Yes, good, Prajwal. Rationalization we have to move. Correct? So I'm writing that one, 5 plus root 2I divided by what? 1 minus root 2I. So rationalizing the numerator and denominator by what? Good. Good. 1 plus root 2I. 1 plus root 2I divided by what? 1 plus root 2I. Okay. Now go for a multiplication. What do you get here? So multiply that one. So can I multiply directly? 5 into 1 is what? 5 plus 5 into root 2I. Okay. Otherwise, go for the property also. I have given the property. You can apply also. So separately, I'm applying this one. Plus root 2I into 1 is root 2I. Okay. Then if I multiplied here, root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. I into I is what? I square. I square is nothing but what? Minus 1. Correct? Correct this one? Just check here. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into root 2I. Then root 2I. And here I into I square is nothing but minus 1. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Divided by, this one is what? A plus P into A minus P, no? a square minus b square, no? So root 2 I the whole square is equal to, what do we get here? That one 5 minus 2 is what? This one 5 minus 2 is what? 3. And when I come to this one, 5 plus 1 is what? 6 root 2 I. Correct? 1 plus I it is. Just check that one. Okay, you are telling the denominator. No, here I square I'm doing, no? So answer you are telling, no? We will check that one. So numerator is correct. 3 plus 6 root 2 I. And here 1 square is 1. I square is minus 1, no? So minus into minus plus. And root 2 square is nothing but 2. So we'll get 3 plus 6 root 2 I by 3. When I divided by 3, 1 plus 2 root 2 I. Good. This is in the form of what? A plus IB. Yes, good. Divided by 5, not 5 this one, huh? Divided by 3, huh, Shravan? Just check. Yes, Prajwal, right? It is 1 plus 2 root I, no? Yeah. Okay. Clear now this one? So in the same way, I'll give a one more problem. Just solve and tell me that one. That is bit lengthy it is. Just we'll move on to the next one, that one. Uh, 3 plus I root 5, 3 plus I root 5 into 3 minus I root 5 divided by root 3 plus root 2I minus root 3 minus root 2I. 3 plus I root 5, 3 minus I root 5 into divided by root 3 plus root 2I minus root 3 minus I root I. Okay. So now tell me, what you're going to take in the numerator? So how you are solving that one? What are you going to take in the numerator? Yes, good. Prithvi, that is a square minus b square, no? A plus b into minus a. That is 3 square minus I root 5 the whole square. Okay. Whatever the denominator value will get. Whatever the denominator value will get. See here, minus is there, no? When I multiplied minus root 3 I'll get. So root 3 and root 3 get cancelled. Next you check root 3I. Here minus into minus is plus root 3I. That is nothing but what? 2 times of root 2I. Correct? Yeah. So in the numerator, what we said? 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5. I or 9 plus 5, that one, Anirudh. 9 plus, yes, 5 divided by what? 2 root of I is nothing but 14 by 2 root I. So again we can write this one as what? 7 by root 2I. Correct? So, but what is 1 by I means? So we have to write in the form of a plus ib, no? The imaginary part is in the denominator. We have to write in the form of numerator, no? A plus ib should be. So what you're doing? Just multiplying both by I and I. Correct? What do you get then? Minus 7 by root 2I. Correct? Correct? Just you multiplied by I and I in the numerator and denominator.